Okay, good morning everyone. The next technique that we need to know when we want to take drawing to another level and really getting to know all the techniques are light, medium, and heavy lines. Okay, so remember I probably showed in some of my video when I want to draw something, I kind of like mark things, right? Okay, okay, all right. So lines, okay, we're gonna just do lines from one point to another, but we're gonna change the weight, how we pressure the pencil, okay? Because okay, let me maybe talk about that later. Okay, so if you press really lightly, okay, and keep it straight, okay, and by the way, making a straight line, in my other video I'm talking about the posture of sitting and having the hand, how to hold the pencil and paper. Okay, so you know that, then excuse me, like for example here, I'm kind of like holding the paper and my wrist will go like that, right? So I'm not like unstably not controlling it. I mean, this works, okay? I guess everyone has their own way of doing it. Okay, let's see, another light line. Okay, really lightly. Okay, try it again. Wasn't that straight. Okay, here we go. This one's pretty better. Okay, so these are light. Okay, light. Now how about if we press it more, apply more pressure, still a straight line, and I hope you can clearly see the difference between the lines. I'm gonna call them modes: light mode, medium, and then hard mode. Okay, again, medium mode, like you press just medium mode. Okay, can we press it more? Well, yeah, it is the hard mode. Okay, thick mode, hard mode. There you go. You can clearly see these were medium, these are hard. Okay, can clearly see. You can practice a whole page to warm up your hand. So drawing is not only about drawing precisely, okay? It is really about physically controlling the hand and the tool, okay? The table is a tool, the paper is a tool, pencil, okay? It's not only about how good you memorize stuff or how precise you draw. This all is affected by the physical makeup, okay? All right. Some people like to do it like this, light, and then they go like medium, and then they go really heavy, okay? I don't really like it because, I mean, it's good to practice, but I just like to see the difference clearly, okay? And being straight, you also practice making straight lines as well. How is this useful for drawing? Well, when, let's say you want to draw a horse, look how I mark the before I draw something, right? And guess what? This is a light mode. I try not to use an eraser if I use these modes, if I can control the pressure. And I have a step in using these, when to use them. Let's say now the light mode, is used only to kind of like get the idea, you know. It's an empty paper. You kind of like know what you draw, but then you use the light mode to kind of like help you sketch out the direction of the neck of the horse, and stuff like that, you know. Okay, the basic shapes, right? Okay. Lightly the legs, the joints, okay, and here as well, okay. Okay, so this is all light mode, and so don't always just start and try to get it perfect and draw like the outline stuff, think that you can't make any mistake. This is drawing. Sometimes mistake, they look good, okay. It's about lines, right? Okay, moving on to a more medium mode, okay. If you're good, if you have a really super good memory and this comes from practice, you can just start with outlines and stuff like that, okay. And I'm using kind of like a medium mode here now, like a horse right there. As you can see, you can really clearly see the difference, right? And I haven't even used the eraser yet. Okay. And this is all these light lines help me kind of like plan, and I can still change things. Like here, the joint was like there, but now I kind of like feel that it should be more up, you know. So you kind of like still process your whatever you kind of like draw, and you can change it. And look how I'm trying not to do like this. It looks like you're not confident. You can do this, you can do this, you can do this, right? Okay, right. So this is kind of like drawing out of memory. And look, the legs are way like shorter than I planned, okay. Okay, it's pretty good enough. I mean, and it doesn't take me too long to do this step between the different modes, yeah. Okay, how's the horse coming up? Maybe like that, maybe. I want to change a leg, maybe like this looks more natural. Joints, right. All right, and joints, I hope that I'll be doing another video. There's so many videos I just need to do on this, okay. It's pretty fun. I kind of like just started this YouTube thing, and I mean, rather than, I mean, it feels like it's talking to people while I'm drawing, because as you know, people who draw, it's really quiet, right? It's pretty fun to do that. Okay, maybe I'll go back to like kind of like a light medium mode, right? To kind of like find out the pattern of the hair, like stuff like that, you know. I mean, it's a drawing, it's not a photo, right? I mean, drawing the how you say it, the charm maybe is from the lines. I mean, look, the mistakes, right? Okay, that's why, I mean, it's something that's not really formally stated that people like it, but it's kind of like, I'm sure people, you know. Okay, so that was, and if you really want to clean it up, okay, you can. It's the only way to time, I guess, to use the eraser to clean up, not to correct, because correction was done while I'm from the light mode, and then when I applied the medium mode, right, I decide the light mode roughly, and then the medium mode was kind of like more like, okay, let's set the lines where there should be and stuff like that. Okay, thank you very much.